So I went thrifting about a week ago and I had everything in my car, but I'm going to be going through everything I got and we're going to go over the prices, how much we're going to make off of everything. I'm going to pop up on screen how much I paid for it because I forgot, but let's start getting into it. This is a Bucks jersey or hoodie, pretty nice. And I'll just pop up the comps right when I'm going through the item. Cubs hat, Pepsi pants, and they're official, very nice. And these clothes I got at the bins, so it's $1.89 a pound. If you have one in your state, I definitely would recommend going, because Goodwill in my area charges $6 for a shirt, and most of their shirts are just really bad. These are Simpson Adidas pants. These are really nice condition too. Very nice size. I got a vintage Packer hat. Boatyard Outer Banks polo, size XL, new with tags. And then I got another, oh, this ain't Bucks, what is this? This is a Minnesota Wild windbreaker. This is a vintage snapback. I got Pokemon VHS. And then I got 3 Croft and Burrow shirts, polos. They don't do good alone on eBay, but when you bundle things like this, you can get a decent price for it. What else do we got from there? I got this is a Dooney purse. These are really nice if you can find Dooney purses or wallets. This one's a little beat up, but I'm pretty sure I can clean it up. And it's also got a little chain thing there. This one is a Ducks Unlimited carrying bag. Ducks Unlimited isn't really popular, but the carrying bag does do pretty decent, I think. And then I think I got these 2 to lot up too. Columbia. Same thing goes with that. Lotting is really good. So I got a woman's medium vest and then another vest. And I didn't know this was even in there. Is this also Columbia? Yeah. So I got 3 Columbia pieces for women's in size medium. That's going to be nice to bundle up on eBay. This is another vintage snapback, 1985, made in USA. These are all made in USA, so these were a pretty nice find. And then that was all at the bins. These other things I'm going to be showing were found at 3 thrift stores, I think. These I paid $5.50 for, and these are 1999 vintage slippers. I think those were a size 8. That's a pretty nice find. Those go for about $30. This is a vintage single stitch. I think it's single stitch. Might be double stitch, but it is vintage. Then this is a Hanes Beefy, made in USA. Is this one single stitch? Yeah, this one's single stitch. And this is a band tee. It's very nice. Sometimes these do really well, depending who it is. And then what else do we get? That is my work hoodie. I paid $7 for these shoes. They're a little dirty, but the comps on these are really nice, and the tread is still there. I think I could get about $40 for those. I'm just estimating right now, but everything will be on screen for you guys. I paid $6 for these Nike SB. I can't read cursive, so I don't know what that says, I'm sorry. But yeah, these are in really great condition. I think I can get about 20 for those, plus shipping. And then I only seen one comp on these and none listed, and it sold for $150. It's a Dudley Sports D400 glove. I don't think that's really what it's gonna go for though. And this is a Gossin Bissix 2. I don't know what it does, but I've seen listings on eBay for $80. None sold, so I'll probably just throw it up for 20 bucks and it'll sell fast. This I paid $2 for this digital Logitech thing, and this has a sold comp for $32.99, I think it was. And then I bought, because when I go rummaging, I usually buy like old PS3s and PS2s and stuff, so I got all the plugs because usually they don't come with the cords, and these I paid $1 each for, so that's a pretty nice find. I got 4 of those. And then I paid $2 for this. There's some comps from 20 to 50, but $2 to 20 to 50 is still pretty good. And I think that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. If you want to see more things like this or have any recommendations on what to do, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for your support. Thank you.